In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Canva website to Squarespace. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll want to head over to Canva's homepage. Canva is a fantastic design tool that many of us use for creating beautiful visuals, including websites. If you aren't already logged in, take a moment to do so. Simply click on the login button at the top right corner of the page and enter your credentials. If you're new to Canva, you'll need to create an account, but it's a straightforward process. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Canva homepage, which is your hub for all things design. Here you can quickly navigate to your projects by clicking on the Projects button. This is where all of your past and current work is stored, making it easy to find the specific website project you've been working on. Now select the project that you want to convert to a Squarespace site. All your Canva projects are neatly listed, so scroll through and click on the one you need. If your projects are numerous, utilize the search bar to quickly locate your desired design. After selecting the project, the editing interface will open up. This is where you can make final tweaks if necessary. Once you're satisfied with the design, the next step is to get your design off Canva and ready for Squarespace. To do this, navigate to the Share option. It's usually located towards the top right of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you a few different options. From here, click on Download. You'll be presented with several file formats to choose from. For most website design tasks, I recommend downloading it as a PDF or as individual image files, depending on your preference and the specific needs of your website setup in Squarespace. Once you have your files downloaded, you'll need to head over to your Squarespace account. With Squarespace, you're dealing with a site platform that's highly customizable and offers a plethora of templates to choose from. Begin by selecting a template that closely matches the aesthetic of your Canva design. This will save you some time during the recreation process. Now comes the slightly more creative step of bringing your downloaded Canva elements into the Squarespace environment. You'll replicate the design by uploading the images or files you downloaded from Canva and arranging them in Squarespace. Make sure to pay attention to layout and functionality to ensure that your site not only looks great, but also performs well. And there you have it, you've successfully converted your Canva website to Squarespace. This process can initially seem a bit tedious, but with practice it'll only take a few minutes each time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this one.